Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 3.1.2 Language of Parts. In this video, we'll cover how to ensure that any text in a different language from the page's default is correctly identified. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 3.1.2 ensures that assistive technologies can correctly interpret and pronounce text in different languages by using appropriate lang attributes for those sections. RAMP's automated scanner checks for portions of text that may not have the correct lang attribute set. Review any flagged issues in the extension and add remediation tasks as needed. To manually check language of parts, analyze the page to find any text presented in language different from the page's default. For example, a Spanish phrase embedded in an English page. View the page source or use your browser's developer tools to inspect the element containing the language that's different. Ensure the element has the appropriate lang attribute set. For example, span lang equals es gracias for Spanish. If the lang attribute is missing or uses an incorrect language code, add a failure in RAMP. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 3.1.2 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Correctly identifying languages ensures that screen readers pronounce content accurately for multilingual users.
Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.